This week, we are looking ahead to our chance for wintry precipitation for this upcoming winter, measurable snow, freezing rain, or sleet. So, as we've been doing, we start with the baseline. It's hard to get snow here in Central Texas. Only 23 winters since 1950 have had measurable snow in Austin. So when you do the math on that, you see that 32% of years have any sort of measurable snow in the city of Austin. Now let's single out just El Nino years. Again, 25 of these since 1950. And the numbers don't change. Still, we're looking at 32% of years. It's the exact same. So we're going to have to dig a little bit deeper to try and find a correlation. We'll start with biggest snowstorm since 1950. We think back to the February 2021 winter storm, over 6 inches of snow, but that was during a La Nina year. But February of 1966, another half foot of snow, El Nino year. Then you go to February 1964, 4 inches of snow, El Nino year. But then about 4 inches of snow in January 1985. Another La Nina year. So still, we're looking at about 50-50 El Nino, La Nina. What gets a little bit more interesting is not when we go just to El Nino, but when we go from normal to moderate to strong El Ninos. In this case, there's not a big difference, but we see about a 10% jump from 32% to now 42% of winters have some sort of measurable snow in Austin. But as we know, snow is not the only type of winter precipitation that we can get. How about Central Texas ice storms? We know we had a big one this last winter, a La Nina year. We had significant icing a couple of different times during the winter storm of February 2021, La Nina. But then January 2007, February 2003, January 1998, all of those El Nino years. So 3 out of the 5 El Nino years. So we're getting not a drastic correlation, but where we tilt the odds towards things being a little bit more active during the winter. One more graphic to show you snowfall during moderate to strong El Ninos, which is what we expect for this winter. It's not drastic, but a little bit of blue shading here over Central Texas, where the odds are tilted a little bit in favor of higher snowfall potential during El Nino years. So in summary, for our winter outlook, we expect slightly above normal to above normal rain with an increased risk for flooding this winter. Temperatures near normal to slightly below normal, and the chance for winter precipitation, slightly higher odds of snow, freezing rain, or sleet, but it is still not a guarantee.